Hi, this is Mike, and yeah, I just thought I'd make another follow-up video. So it has begun, um, and I did actually screw up the count a bit. I instead of the count that it is now, which is the right count, I had it as A, B, C, D, E, except that was wrong. After we saw what happened there was a D wave. So the D wave was there, the E wave was there. So when you saw that shoot up, a lot of people probably thought, yes, finally, it's going to go up. And then it reversed. That's too bad. Um, but no, that's what I'm talking about. Like I put out that idea at a pretty good time. It was almost perfect, except that stuff happened all pretty quickly. So it's pretty entertaining to watch it. I hope you get a kick out of it. Yeah, the way that it goes crazy like that. Yeah, look, just understanding the waves is fun. It's cool. You make money. You get it wrong, but that's fine. There's always a reason why you get it wrong. And as long as you can identify it pretty quick, then you're not going to freak out. You're just going to say, "Whoa, this volatility is picking up because wave three is starting," obviously, but not the wave three to the upside, like what some people might think. So that made another new resistance area, right? Resistance number three, right? So the first resistance was the first wave, the start of the first wave, and then the start of wave three, and then third of a third wave type of thing. Well, at least if I'm right. I mean, I don't think it's wrong. It's just there's no pattern that's bullish that's going to make it look like this. And if it was gonna, it never would have broke this low, right? Because if you're going to have a wave B up, which mind you, this still could have been a B, seeing as though I had it wrong. It's an expanded zigzag. That's why it was hard to sort of gauge. But see the B and the D go down. See that way that D went down, down, zigzag down. All right. So in the end, the giveaway was, CDE, and also breaking lows and breaking highs. Those are the sort of the secrets to what I do here. But you got to understand the context. So obviously, learning the waves gives you the context to what I mean by all that. Uh, so there's no pattern here that could possibly make sense in a bullish scenario, right? There's no ABC type thing. There's no like A, B, C, right? The waves point in certain directions. So once you see certain things, you kind of like you're making conclusions based on the pattern, which like I have diagrams of the pattern in a bull scenario and the pattern in a bear scenario, which is a complete flip. So if you can't see that in a bull scenario, you've got to flip it around and see, well, how can I see it in a bear? And then you kind of make those, sort of decisions. But as you get better, you learn, you make those decisions quicker. So I suppose like when it comes to these quick type things, you got to think quick if you want to trade them. Even though I don't think there's even any reason why this happened. Like I don't think there's any particular news event that's going to make Bitcoin behave like that. I could be wrong, you know. But yeah, it's to me, it's just one of those things where the waves go a bit crazy at first, and then yeah. So just another thing, like um, this is just a mini version of like, for example, when you're shorting my euro short idea, right? You had this craziness that happened at a news event, and then I said, okay, that's E, break the low, confirm the trade. It's the same thing, but it's just a small degree of that. It's like a tiny degree, right? So, when you break that area, that's when I made the video, right? I was waiting for the little support to be broken because I'm not going to wait that long. It's just, it's pretty small degree, quick, happen pretty quick, yeah. So yeah, in a sense, it's just like showing you that, yeah, I do know the waves. I can get it wrong, right? But a small degree wrong, it's insignificant, right? Obviously, the bigger the patterns they are, the more easier they are to sort of understand. Uh, yeah, in that sense. So I suppose it has to be said. It always has to be said, just in case. If we break 24662, that's not a good thing because that's the third support level, right? You can never, sorry, resistance level. You can never break a resistance level, right? That's one of the keys. Like whenever you create a resistance level, which is opposite of support, it's in reverse. Um, you can't break them, right? If you break them, there's something's being invalidated in your pattern, and you have to like rethink what's going on, right? But in this case, like we're making consistently lower lows with every sort of wave accounted for, and you just can't break higher sorry lower highs and lower lows. Yeah, can't break any of those resistance areas. So hopefully this has been entertaining. Thanks for watching.